Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. What I thought I would do today is talk a little bit about some of the brokerage firms and the fees they pay to buy and sell stocks. I got a very interesting email today from my E-Trade account basically saying that they are reducing their fee from $9.99 to $6.95 to buy and sell stocks. And I was kind of interested in that. I kind of looked online. It looks like there's a little bit of a pricing war going on between some of the large brokerage firms. Fidelity has recently decreased the price of trading from $7.95 to $4.95. Charles Schwab, likewise, from $6.95 to $4.95. TD Ameritrade from $9.99 to $6.95. And like I said, E-Trade has been also taking part in this pricing war, decreasing their trades from $9.99 to $6.95. And I'm kind of wondering if that has anything to do with Robinhood and their no commission trade. So just to briefly recap and review what a commission trade is. So when you buy a stock, you basically have to pay the brokerage firm a certain set amount of money. Like I said, Fidelity was $7.95, now $4.95. E-Trade, it was $9.99, now $6.95. And it doesn't matter if you buy one stock or 10,000 stocks. So if I bought this stock here, ORI, I'd pay the price of the stock plus the trading fee. Wouldn't matter if I bought one stock or 10,000 stocks. So you can imagine that just buying a couple shares of the stock wouldn't make any sense with the large fee. So, for example, if I bought one of the penny stocks, let's kind of go down through my portfolio to get a very cheap stock here. I'm playing around with a little bit of penny stocks here in the back end. So, BAC plus B here. So if I bought one share of this on TD Ameritrade, for example, I'd pay $1.36 plus $9.99. Now, $6.95, but you can see that makes no sense. If I bought 10,000 shares of the stock, that would make more sense. But buying one share of a stock really doesn't make any sense on the other brokerage accounts. On Robinhood, it doesn't matter because there's no commission fees. And since Robinhood has been in operation, it's been gaining a lot of following, and I think that's really what's possibly leading to this pricing war between the other large brokerage firms. Like I said, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, and E-Trade have all been aggressively decreasing the amount they charge on commission trades, which is kind of understandable here. Robinhood, again, is a startup. It's not making money. It's funded by a lot of venture capitalists, but I think it has a good business model moving forward. If it can sustain the user base, if it can continue to grow, I think this model anyway, very low cost, low feature trading application, even if it doesn't make it to the PC, I think has a lot of interest for a lot of folks. For example, I would not be buying individual stocks and securities if it wasn't for the no commission fee trading here on Robinhood. I have an E-Trade account. I had a TD Ameritrade account for a while as well before I moved funds over to my E-Trade account, and I would not be buying and selling individual stocks with the $9.99 fee before. Definitely would not. Even with the $6.95 that both TD Ameritrade and E-Trade has moved to, I don't think I would be buying and selling individual stocks. It only makes sense if you buy thousands of dollars worth of stocks, and for the most part, I just like to buy a few shares here and there, dollar cost average, adding a couple shares to my positions every month. So Robinhood is perfect for me. I think it's perfect for a lot of young investors as well who are learning about the markets, who want to get into investing, don't have a lot of capital, and don't want to make $1,000 trades. So I think a lot of the pressure on the large brokerage accounts has been coming from the more discount broker applications. Robinhood here is zero commission fees. There's also Trade King and some other smaller ones that have much lower costs as well. So it's going to be very interesting to see how E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, some of the other large brokerage firms kind of move forward with their commission fees. If they're going to be lowering them even further, I mean, there's a lot of competition in between those firms as well. Not to mention, like I said, Robinhood and Trade King and some of these other smaller brokerage firms. So, yeah, just wanted to talk about that today. I thought that was very interesting. That email was very interesting. Lowering their fees by quite a significant margin, $9.99 to $6.95 for my E-Trade account. And looking online, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, they've all been lowering their costs as well. So let me know what you guys think of Robinhood and the no commission trading. Do you guys still have other traditional brokerage accounts. I still have my E-Trade account. I still have a lot of mutual funds and ETFs that are in that account, which I'll probably just keep there. One of the goals of the Robinhood account here is trying to see if I can beat my performance on my ETFs and mutual funds I have in my other account. And so far, it's been about 50-50 with regards to what's doing better. They're about comparable, actually, even though I'm making individual trades on Robinhood versus the more managed accounts on my E-Trade account. They're about the same. But I think as I move forward and I become more knowledgeable, I start investing a little bit more wisely, I think I'm going to beat the performance of the ETFs and mutual funds I have in my E-Trade account. But we'll kind of see how that plays out. So yeah, just wanted to quickly put out a video with regards to commission fees and some of the price war pricing changes that have been happening with the larger brokerage accounts here. Fidelity, Schawb, TD, Ameritrade, and E-Trade have all been lowering their trading costs. So let me know what you guys think about that. And kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel, having a ton of fun putting out these videos. I hope you guys have been learning along with me. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Any good video ideas, let me know. And yeah, until next video, we'll see you then.